global connection, like variables in Python. Full script, this URL. The specific code in question is The script works perfectly fine. However, I've read in multiple places that global variables should be used with hesitation and that there is almost always a better way to do the same thing without them. Is this true? And if so, how exactly should I fix this script? To me, it seems much easier just to use global connection and container variables instead of passing those objects around as arguments in multiple functions.
Easier? Yes. But it means that it's very hard to tell when and why those variables get changed. I think the best answer is the one you have given in your question. Pass them around as an object, e.g. Then simply pass the tuple around.
You should create a class, called something like Cloud Container, that includes all of those global variables as members, and rewrite it as, just as a start. Thus, any function that uses these global variables, like getimg and uploading above, would be included as a method of the class.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.